Are you confused about writing a logline? You don't know what a logline is? Well, you found the right video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching one, what is a logline, and two, how to write a successful logline. So, what is a logline? A logline is a brief summary that states the central conflict of the story, often providing the protagonist, main goal, and the antagonist. They're roughly around one sentence long. The logline is there not to tell the story, but it's there to sell the story. You want to create desire to see the script or the book. You want to give them the need to read the story. So let's jump into how to write a successful logline. I'll be going over 6 tips. Tip number 1, the logline must contain 3 elements: the protagonist, their goal, and the antagonist or antagonist force. Tip 2, don't use a character's name. Tell us about the character. Examples, a hero or a Coast Guard swimmer. Tip number 3, use adjectives to describe the characters: a mute superhero or an alcoholic Coast Guard swimmer. Number 4, present the main goal clearly and quickly: a blind superhero trying to save his city, an alcoholic Coast Guard searching for his daughter at sea. Thank you for watching. If you're getting great content and information, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. My name is Justin Vandermark, and I'm a creative writing major. I give tips and tricks for writing a successful story. Tip number 5, describe the antagonist. Describe them like you would with the hero, just a little shorter. A blind superhero is trying to save his city from a quiet alien invasion. An alcoholic Coast Guard swimmer is searching for his daughter at sea during a storm. Number 6, include stakes for a time frame that the hero must accomplish this goal. An alcoholic Coast Guard swimmer is searching for his daughter at sea during a storm as a tsunami is rising. And here's a bonus tip. If you can't write a decent logline before you write your idea, maybe you should think about writing something else. Write a logline down before writing your idea. If your logline is unfocused or muddled, when you try to write the story, it won't get any better. Check out my playlist on how to write a successful story using a story plot arc. It'll help your ideas get fleshed out. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out what is a story plot arc. The playlist is right here on the right, and on the left, check out this video about character development. Thanks for watching, guys.